Hello viewers, in this tutorial I will show you how to change date on Facebook post. So first of all, open Facebook apps. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for more update. So let's get start. Look at this, my Facebook account dashboard. Go to the main profile. First select a post. Tap onto three dot, but not shown here to this option. So go back, go to the Google Chrome. First time log into Facebook web version. And enable to desktop site. Tap onto three dot. Just click onto desktop site. Now I'm already enabled the desktop site. First time create a post. Tap onto post. So this post I recently uploaded. Now I'm edit this post date and time. So tap onto three dot. Look at the edit date option. Tap on here. And here you can easily customize date and time. And tap on to done. Okay, now I am checking this post. So go to my main profile. So looking my post, date and time change. So that's how you can easily change date on Facebook post. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debug channel for more video.